If you're here because you want to build your own website on Squarespace but you're brand new, I highly recommend that you go back to video number 1 and start from there. If you're not new, then welcome back. Let's get back to it. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your website to your domain name and how we can go live. So you need to go down here into settings, and then you can see here domains. So right now we can use our built-in domain, which is going to be squarespace.com. So whichever name you want, squarespace.com. So I have tutorials for .squarespace.com, and I'm going to leave that one, but it's usually a generated code that they have, so you can change it. Or I want to use a domain that I own. So I want to connect my domain. So I want to connect it from GoDaddy. So I'm just going to click here to connect domain, GoDaddy, connect domain, and it's going to open a pop-up window where I can log in. And then it's basically saying, it's in Spanish, but it's saying that if I accept that Squarespace goes into GoDaddy and changes the DNS numbers, so it will link to this website. So I'm going to press cancel because I don't want that, but this is how you can connect it. So after your domain name is fully connected, you can go down here into subscribe, or you can go into billing and you can upgrade your account. They have different options. You can use personal, business, for commerce, or advanced, depending on your needs and what your business is about. You can pay for the membership, and once that's done, you can go here to site availability. Right now it's private, and you can click here to make it public, and that will take your website live. If you want to show someone your website before going live, you can do it as password protected. You can tutorials. That way, if you send this URL to someone, okay, so I'm going to show you real quick how that looks like. So if you go to a private window and you write down your URL, you're going to see this password page, give them the password, and then they'll be able to go into your website, see it, give you feedback, and once you're ready, you can go to public. And that's it. Let me know if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for even more helpful tips and tricks.